My husband rewatches The Office about every year. Which made me watch too and ended up loving it. So obviously I thought this magnet was functional as well as funny. Had it for a day and already got some compliments and laughs, big fan. This is hilarious. I just ordered 100 more of these because instead of sticking them on the dishwasher I am going to stick them on people's cars in Memphis. I'm not sure why people are saying it's not magnetic. It's literally a magnet. It comes with a metal piece that has a 3 meters sticky side in case your dishwasher doesn't have a metal front. My refrigerator doesn't allow magnets to stick to the front, luckily my dishwasher does. So I don't need the extra piece they sent with it. I love it. My kids always asked if the dishwasher is clean or dirty, so hopefully this helps. They also think it's funny. Click link in description for more reviews.